All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on these awesome 12-pack golf balls. Let me go ahead and take them all out so you can see them. I have used them before, and they're really, really sweet. So you can see, I love the packaging on them. They come in these four boxes right here, so a total of 12, so 3 in each. So we'll go ahead and start taking some of them out. Perfect. Just so you can kind of see the quality on them. Perfect. So logo on there, really, really high grade quality, professional grade. They will help with flight, accuracy, things of that nature. So if you're looking for some amazing golf balls, especially if you're out like practicing, or you actually just need like an extra set, I definitely like to include these. Like I said, you get a total of 12 of them right in here. So if you're looking for some amazing golf balls, I highly recommend these. Definitely a 10 out of 10.